Many people are unaware of the major responsibilities of their criminal defense attorney because they've never had one or are generally unfamiliar with the law in the first place. But should the situation arise in which you need one, it's important to understand what your criminal defense attorney's responsibilities are and what they can do to help your case. Stay tuned to learn more. The most important responsibility. First and foremost, the most important job of your criminal defense attorney is to fight for you and defend you in the court of law. According to the American Bar Association, the primary responsibility of a criminal defense attorney is to advocate for their clients and defend their rights. Your defense attorney should not only acknowledge your needs and wants in the situation, but work in favor of your best interests. A defense attorney should protect your rights and fight for the best possible outcome for the case at hand. A defendant's best interest. To work with the defendant's best interests in mind means your defense lawyer will not only be fighting for the best possible outcome by societal standards, but also they'll do so with your wants and well-being in mind too, sometimes known as holistic representation. Many defense lawyers attempt to help their clients by focusing on the whole of the situation, not just the crime at hand. While the outcome the defendant may want cannot be guaranteed by any defense lawyer, part of your lawyer's job is to work for the agreed upon outcome or the best one possible. Your defense attorney works with your best interests in mind throughout multiple areas of the case. When considering plea bargains, your lawyer can negotiate terms for you they may think may be better. When considering the jurors, your attorney can assess and remove jurors that may be biased towards you or the case. Your lawyer can even interview and use specific witnesses to the case with your best interests in mind too. Defend clients' rights. One way a defense attorney can defend their clients' rights is by working to make sure they have a fair trial. Oftentimes, the proceedings of criminal cases and other affairs in the criminal justice system are hectic. It's important that every aspect of your case is looked at with extreme detail and understanding, especially with regard to how it could play a role in your trial. Another way a defense lawyer will work to defend their client's rights is by making sure the defendant remains innocent until proven guilty in the minds of the judge and jurors. Despite the evidence in a case before its trial, our legal system declares all defendants innocent until the prosecution is able to prove them guilty without a reasonable doubt. A defense lawyer works to make sure all information between them and their client is confidential, retaining their innocence throughout the trial. Ultimately, your defense attorney's biggest responsibilities are to work with your best interests in mind and defend you both in and out of the courtroom, trying to get the best possible outcome. Here at Patent Law, we always put our clients and their best interests first. We're a team of experienced professionals working to provide holistic representation to those who need it. If you're looking for high-quality criminal defense lawyers in the Southeast Wisconsin area, contact us.